Hey there, Amar here. Welcome back to another power-packed episode. Before the end of this presentation, I will show you the setup process for this funnel. Today we are diving into the world of lead magnets, those irresistible tools that can transform casual visitors into dedicated subscribers. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss my content. So what exactly makes a lead magnet compelling? Well, it's all about delivering value that your audience cannot resist. Your lead magnet should be like a golden ticket, promising something valuable, solving a problem, or providing insights that your audience is eager to get their hands on. Whether it's an in-depth ebook, a handy checklist, or an exclusive webinar, the key is to offer something that aligns with your audience's needs and leaves them thinking, I need this. Now let's talk about crafting a lead magnet that not only attracts but converts. The secret sauce here is understanding your audience inside out. What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Your lead magnet should be the solution they have been searching for. You can start with an audience search. You can use surveys, analytics. You can use social media insights. Once you've got the pulse of your audience, tailor your lead magnet content to address their specific needs. Optimizing your lead magnet for maximum impact. The way you present your lead magnet should be clean, clear, and compelling. Use attention-grabbing headlines, concise copy, and vibrant visuals to make that first impression count. And remember, simplicity is a key. For example, building an effective landing page for your lead magnet is crucial. Also, the call to action needs to be clear. You need to make it crystal clear, whether it's a sign-up form, a download button, or a registration link for your webinar. Guide your visitors seamlessly towards the next step. Very important also, engaging your subscribers beyond the lead magnet. The journey does not stop or end in the lead magnet download. What comes next is equally crucial. You need to nurture those new subscribers with killer or amazing email sequence that offer them value, because your emails should continue the value train, guiding your subscribers towards your main offerings or products. It's all about building a relationship that goes beyond the initial interaction. For this example, I prepared the welcome email and 15 follow-up emails. All of them give value to the initial subscribers. And there you have it, the essentials of compelling lead magnets and how to optimize them for maximum impact. And remember, it's not just about download numbers, it's about creating a lasting connection with your audience. Now, before I show you the setup process for this funnel, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below.